about to share with you could possibly make you make around $50, $100, $500, depending on how you be able to exploit it. And I'll be showing my earning in this particular app. And more also, I'll be sharing with you if you're able to watch this particular video to the end, where you can actually buy this particular token. Although currently the swapping feature is under maintenance, but there are some certain that are currently buying the token. So let me quickly log in on the app. Later on, before I finish this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the name of that particular app and the link for registration. So you can see here I have 740 token of this particular coin. So let me click on manage and see the price which it worth as at today. You could see as at today now, this is the price that it worth. It worth around 5.18, and this was what I just did within the space of just 3 weeks. Yes, I was able to gather this within the space of 3 weeks. I would have gotten far more than this, but I never knew how I could increase my earning. So I was just doing daily checking in. So until I did my due diligence and I understand a lot of ways that I could actually increase my earning, and that is what I'll be sharing with you in this particular video, how you could possibly make more tokens. The name of the app is called Atok. Yes, and this is a particular app that brandies a lot of big companies, gives them promotional videos, so they give it to us to watch, so they get paid, and they get paid us their native token, which is called Atok token. Although the swapping feature is not yet available, but you can actually transfer it through internal transfer. Let's say I want to sell to somebody, so I can actually, maybe somebody wants to buy, so I can actually transfer from my Atok token here to somebody, and if I'm the one buying, I will actually send the address to the person. So these are the two ways you can see it, and also you can actually scan. So let's dive into how you could make how you could earn more Atok token. You could see the first one is to come in and do your daily check-in here. Check-in. I've created a particular video on this. You can watch it to get a full comprehension on how this app actually works. So when you click on this check-in, you see my balance will increase. You could see it has increased, and yeah, now I was told that I have to come back. The next check-in have to be 3 hours 59 minutes and 40 something seconds after 4 hours. So that is one way which you can increase your earning. Another way is to come to this avatar area. This is one of the ones I was missing. Then you'll be asked some series of questions. I've done the one for today, so you just have to tap on today question. You can see say complete. You have completed 3 questions. The questions are just simple. It's their surveys. So when you be able to complete it, you'll be given 6 Atok token. So let me click on tap on OK, and your avatar will continue to increase. And currently I'm in 40. I'm currently in 40. Yes. So another way is to come to this area of NFT. You use your Atok token to buy NFT, and in return you'll be getting reward for buying those particular NFT with Atok. So another thing you could possibly do to earn money is through their referral program. So you could tap on your referrals, copy your referral link. Mind you, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. Please kindly use it to join this particular platform and you earn. And please kindly say in the comment section, kindly say WhatsApp group, and I'll be adding you to the group where you could actually say if you have any amount of Atok token you want to sell. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So let's go back. So through referrals, which is the third one, I'm sharing with you how you could make money, how you could get some of their tokens. So also you could come to games here. Games, you see, roller. You could roll. You have to play with 5 actors depending, and at times when you roll, when you spin, you can actually get 0. You could see they say use, let me show you here. You say use 5 for each spin. So sometimes you could do, and is a game of luck. You can get 15 here that you are seeing, can get 5 you can get. So you just tap on this spin. You see they have decreased it from me 45. Let's see what I'll be able to get. Oh, you see these people, they are just too bad. Let me try I'll just know I wasted 10. Maybe this one will be able to give me my luck and I'll be able to get 25. Anything we're able to get, I'm leaving this app. You see, I stayed me. So I just say, let me just show you. So another one is to come to this area. I told you that brands give them videos that we watched, and through there, they pay us with their tokens. So when you tap on this particular place, and this particular one, you have to do it ASAP because it has limit number of people. You could see it now for today. They have maximum of 20 people to watch that particular. They always drop 2 video each day. So each you get 10 active token. So you have 20,000. You could see that as at today now, 50,554 have watched the first video, and this was the second video. Now, likewise, 15,000. So if you are unable to watch this particular video early in the morning, I sorry, you might be out. Yes, you could see that 15,000, just less than 4,000 plus people now. You could see this other one now. This was for the one for yesterday. Some people might have missed it. 20,000 completed. So this is another area which you can actually, if they set photo articles, you could watch them and increase your Atok token. So this will be where you could actually get a lot of things, announcements about them, so you could read. So these are just ways by which you could increase your Atok token on every single day. So if the video was helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. And so let me quickly share you the groups. So this is a group, and they have actually legit buyer that is buying the token, despite if it has not yet been lifted. You could see active, and this was somebody that got paid, that sold one of his token, and it's very easy. You could just go and check your balance and to know the worth of that particular top token. Then you chat in this particular group and you send it to them, and the person will actually credit you. You see, this is another payment, 3,000 naira. There was one I even saw yesterday, 10,000 naira. Currently, I'm not selling my. I want to keep it, yes, because I know this particular token, on after the listing day, it will be more high in price than what people are actually, maybe people that have 2 or 3 account might have been selling one of the account, but for me, I'm not selling until they get listed. Thank you. Bye bye for now.